Okay guys, this is what we're working with today. It's a Ryobi tire inflator, and actually I've had it for a while now and it has been working really good. It has a function here to do inflatable bed, whatever you want to call, and for tires. And likewise you can do these, playing balls and all that toy stuff. And it takes a regular 18 plus battery, and that's what we're gonna insert right here. And you just turn it on right here and you select what you want to do with this mode here in tire or that inflatable bed mode. I'm gonna leave mine on tire, and you can set here the PSI, for example, how much your car takes. This is the side that has the hose for the bed stuff, or the mattress, I guess. And that's how you do it. It has the coupler here. You put it back down and it goes back in here if I can. And in the other side you have the tire slash other stuff inflator. You just unravel it from there. And on the side you have additional stuff. You want to inflate bike tire, balls, different tires with a fitting and all that good stuff. And here you can store the caps if you need to. And now let's go try to inflate a tire with it and check. You can even check how much air is on that tire. And this is the tire we're gonna be working with today. Right here, we're gonna undo this part here, the air tube. And yes, this is grass, in case you've never seen before, because that's where I like to park. You take this part here. After you take the cap out of the car, just like so. Do it slowly. Make sure your tires are as dirty as possible. And that's where I told you that you could store these things on the side so you don't lose it. And you just start twisting it right here. It takes two hands sometimes, but in this case it's gonna be only one. And just how it goes. Boom. Right now it's inflated. And it's saying we have 36, which is more than I would need it, for example. But if you want to put it down, then put it, for example, 34. You hit start and it will not go anywhere because you have 36. But if you want to put it to 37, or let me actually lose some air from it and we'll put it back to 35. Okay. Okay, I think I lost some air at least. Let's see if we lost enough to be recognized. And we have 31.5 right now. Yeah, so we lost some. We're gonna put it 35 and we're gonna hit start. Boom. That's what it took. And actually this was in real time. I did not cut this part of the video or speed it up intentionally, so you guys can actually see it in real time how it does it. And here's gonna be our cap, if I can put it back in, just like that. Boom, done. And you just hold this mode button here and it turns off, and it has this really nice storage, whatever you want to call that. Then you just wrap it around. It has some kind of clip thingies in there. And boom, it's ready to go in your trunk like I usually do. Let me just show it there. And I always keep it in the trunk right there. Put this sun visor thing back on, close the trunk, and boom. I always keep this in my trunk. I never take it out because it's a safety thing. And yes, I keep one of those elevator blankets and a box here just to have it in case of groceries or something. And if I want to hold something that might be dirty or something, throw this on the whole seats, because the seats, they can all be collapsed if you want to. And I have to put the other seat down, but you get the point. And that's just how you do it. It's really easy, really simple, and I always keep it in the car with me. Always stays right here, even though I have the other one that came with the car right there. It's just, I like this Ryobi better because it has its own battery and it doesn't need help. And with that said, I hope you like this video and we will see you next time. Bye!